Are you a passionate aquarist with a keen eye for business? Starting a saltwater aquarium business in Malaysia could be your next great opportunity. With the growing interest in marine life and aquarium setups, the demand for quality saltwater aquariums is increasing. Saltwater aquariums offer a stunning addition to homes and businesses alike, with the colorful fish and beautiful coral reefs creating a captivating display. But starting your own saltwater aquarium business requires more than just a love for marine life. It's a business venture that involves careful planning and understanding the needs of both customers and marine ecosystems. From sourcing quality fish and corals to setting up tanks with the right equipment, your business will need to cater to both beginners and experienced aquarists. Building a reputation for offering high-quality, well-maintained aquariums is key to long-term success. Customer service is also crucial. Educating your clients about saltwater aquarium maintenance and offering support for tank setups can set you apart from the competition. Plus, offering customized aquarium designs for homes or offices is a great way to build a loyal customer base. Getting your saltwater aquarium business started is easy with the right guidance. At 3E Accounting Malaysia, we can assist with everything from business registration to tax advice, helping you create a solid foundation for your new venture.